are you doing?
Studying. I hate finals.
Yeah, me too.
Like, I don't even know. Well, I'm looking at like a Piper trophy. What is that? Can you give me a hand?
I sure can.
Alright, so what is it?
I give you my strong hand. It would have to be my strong hand.
What is that? What's supposed to do with that?
Because it's so strong, I can show you, you know, oxidative systems with the pen.
That's stupid. That's like
It's just so strong.
you're crazy.
You're crazy. She's crazy. It's 4:30 a.m.